everyone. My name is Maria Nicole Orsal.
My name is Kansar Siseta.
And we are from G10-FELIPE Group 5.
And today we are going to conduct an experiment regarding Charle's law and whether the volume is truly directly proportional to temperature.
Let's get started. But first, what is Charle's law? Charle's law is an experimental gas law. It explains how gases tend to expand when heated. French physicist Charles studied the effect of temperature on the quantity of gas at constant pressure. This law describes how a gas expands because of the temperature increases. Conversely, a decrease in temperature will cause a decrease in volume.
Charle's law stated that the volume is directly proportional to temperature while having a constant pressure and number of moles of gas. The concept of Charle's law is when the volume increases, the temperature increases, and when the volume decreases, the temperature decreases.
The formula for Charle's law was originally 2 initial volume divided by initial temperature is equal to final volume divided by final temperature, but we have to convert it to a linear formula using cross multiplication. So then, the new formula is initial volume times the final temperature is equal to final volume times initial temperature.
Now let's proceed with the experiment. The materials and equipment we use is 2 balloons, hot water, a basin, and a water filled with ice. Let's start with the experiment. First, inflate the balloon. Then, prepare the basin and pour it with hot water. Next is to place the balloon in hot water for 5 minutes. Observe what happens when you leave the balloon in hot water. Next, inflate the second balloon. Then, place the balloon in cold water for 5 minutes. Keep an eye on what happens when you leave it in cold water.
As you can see, when the balloon is exposed in high temperature, the balloon increases its volume. Then you can see when the balloon is exposed in low temperature, the balloon shrinks in volume. In conclusion, the simple experiment we have verifies Charle's law, which states that volume is directly proportional to temperature while having a constant pressure and number of moles of gas.